Welcome to Beautiful Angel Blossom's magical YouTube channel. You'll find lots of awesome videos. From angel tries to gameplay and whole lot more fun videos. Angel is magical like colorful leaves on the tree during an autumn sunset.
Everybody, Angel here. So, this is the computer that I show putting Manjaro Linux on, and it keeps doing this. It just keeps doing this. I know it's only got 3 gigs of RAM and everything like that, but unfortunately, it did it while I was in the middle of watching a YouTube video. See what Manjaro does whenever I just boot into live environment. That's way better response time than I first got. Let's see what this does. That's pretty quick for a live environment. That's the way it's supposed to be. And we are just going to write the ISO sounds weird. My mouth's still a little bit swelled up. So, yeah. And with the open source drivers. This should be pretty straightforward. I went back with Manjaro because I trust Manjaro. I don't trust this computer though. I tested this on my other computer and it was really fast loading everything. This is probably going to be the last video on this computer. Unless I video the computer getting ran over by a steamroller. Gigs. Unless the motherboard may be hard capped at 4. I'm thinking if you can get by with putting another CPU that does not have a cap at 4, but having a CPU that may have a cap at 8 or 16, that might work. Bit of difficulty getting it connected to the internet, but we got it. We have it. soon. That's going to be West Coast. I clicked the wrong thing, so I'm just going to have it to erase the entire disk. Let's put in some names. No, the office suites. How do you choose? No. No official office. Okay. Here we go. None of my cameras like this TV screen. So it's done. Cool. Oh, something failed on the restart. That's great. Something failed again. Okay. I guess here we are. I don't know what that failure was, but okay. And here we are. At the desktop. Look, I kind of like the muffin thing. Days ago, I made the video about KDE. Yeah.
Beautiful Angel Blossom's magical YouTube channel. Lots of fun here. Gaming videos to cooking and trying food to a whole lot.
720p. Let's go to full screen.
Angel is a very random and magical girl. Lots of
Okay. Let's go to 1080p. Oh yeah, that's 1080p. We're gonna go back to 720p. Yeah. I think there's something wrong with this phone camera about blowing out everything. Motorola stuff and all of its AI stuff is not great on these phones.
But I found one of the mystery vaults. Can you believe it? Look at that! So let's bust it open and see what we get.
The audio sounds better on this version of Linux too.
Oh, come on.
I hate my phone at times. It doesn't like to record
Don't
screens.
do this to me. I mean, I kind of got that.
Go subscribe to my
Ooh,
Sissy's YouTube channel. There's a card to this video.
Nice.
Let's see how loud this goes. This does not sound overmodulated or distorted like KDE did. I wonder if KDE and the drivers that it has for the NVIDIA audio card that's on the video card is not great than the drivers that come with Cinnamon for the HDMI audio card is better. It sounds better, at least. I'm going to watch the music video that this is what it sounds like. I have it in 1080p, and I'm going to watch it. I can't record any of it because of copyright. So I'm going to turn up the volume, listen to it, and I'll come back. Here's the conclusion to this. 1080p it will play, but there's hiccups. Sometimes it will just briefly pop up with the buffer thing, but it will still play it. But 720p, it's completely smooth. It doesn't drop any frames or anything like that. So it's absolutely smooth, and the audio sounds crisp and clear, unlike KDE for some reason. So everything seems to be working great. Just got done watching a film, and so far this build of Linux on this computer has been holding up. There's been a couple of issues that has came up. Well, go by a couple days without using it, this computer stays on, and when I go and type in the password, it won't log me in. It'll keep saying bad password, and it requires a total restart in order for it to recognize the password. I was just watching another film, another horrible film. I have to say that Airplane 2, the sequel, is kind of a horrible film. They reused a bunch of jokes, and the movie wasn't that bit entertaining. But so far, this computer is doing very, very lovely. And I haven't had a bit of issue with it yet. And I just got done watching my favorite movie that I watched about 50 times. But yeah, I'm just sitting here watching movies, and this computer's just doing perfectly fine with just playing movies. And I honestly believe that I'm going to end the video because I don't have nothing more to say. That it's working perfect. No memory errors except for the issue with logging in. That I have to restart it after a few days if I don't log in because it doesn't remember the password. But that's besides the point. So, with that being said, I'm going to end the video right here, and I'm probably not going to make any more videos on this computer. Manjaro Linux Cinnamon is doing an amazing job, and that's all I need it for, is to play movies, YouTube videos, and things like that. So, anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video, live stream or short. Love from your girl Angel. Peace, love, and hugs. Be kind to each other. I love you all. See you next time. Bye-bye. Mwah.